Hello everyone, in this video, I would like to show you how you can use chi-square to do the goodness of fit test, okay? So in this video, I would like to show you use the chi-square test to show you if the true distribution of the race in our original data set will be follow like, okay, maybe 75% of the people are white, 15% of the people are black, and then the rest of the other race. Okay, so I want to test if it will be the true distribution of this race or not. So what you need to do is first open our original data set. Okay, so this is our original data set, including 2,246 observations. And then you need to select the race here. Once you select this one, use Control C. Okay, use Control C, and then in another new data set, okay, you can just have another new data set and put the Control V, okay? So here, you will use Control C, and then in this new data set, you will just put Control V. So it will show all those rays, okay, showing up here. And then what you need to do, you need to compute how many survey people they are white, how many survey people are black, and how many survey people are others. Okay, so what you need to do, I generally will just delete. Okay, so first I will delete this cell first. Okay, I will delete the cell first. So what you mean now, all those here will be just white, black, and other. And then I will use sort. Okay, so use the sort by column C. This is in column C. And then the order will from A to Z. So when you hit OK, you will see now all those columns here, okay, all those observations here will show black first. And then it will followed by show black first, and then it will follow by others, right? And then the rest of them will be white. So you need to compute how many black will showing up here. And based on to what I observed in the data set, okay, we have here until 583, they are black people, okay? And then there are 26, okay, are other people, and the rest of the white people. So what you need to do is in this data set, you need to create the table like this, okay? Put race, okay, as the row column, as the row variables, and then you have three categories, okay? White, black, and other. And then what you need to do is you need to put a number, okay? So this is the number from the black people, 583, and then we have other equal 26. The rest of them, you can just use our total observations, subtract black people, and then the white, and then the other people, you can get the number of the white people equal 1,637. And what you need to do, this is our observed data, right, from our data set. But we still need, in the chi-square test, we also need an expected value. So how we can get this expected value? Because we want to test. So here we want to test, I just insert, okay, put a test here. We want to test the non-hypothesis, okay? The non-hypothesis will be, we want to see if the true distribution of race will be like 75% of people, they are white, 20% of the people are black, and then the rest of them will be 5% are others, okay, are other race. So this is our non-hypothesis. Therefore, we need to compute the expected value based on this non-hypothesis. So here we use our total observation, 2,246 times 75% to get expected value for white person, okay? And then use our total observation times 20% to get the black people, okay? And then the rest of them will be others, okay? So those are the expected value based on our null hypothesis. And then now we have observed, we also have expected value. So what we can do is use the chi-square test, okay? So here you can put equal chi-square test. For the actual range, it will be this part, right? This is our actual or observed data. And then we also have our expected range. Put the right parenthesis, hit enter. You will see we have the number here very, very small, right? This number will be much smaller than 0. Therefore, is less than 0.05 if we use 95% confidence into 95% confidence interval level, okay? Or 95% level of significance. So this number here, you will see it has an E, right? And then -24. So this number was very, very small, and that's then 0.05, and that will help us to reject this non-hypothesis, reject the non-hypothesis, and shows actually the true distribution of the race is not 75% white, 20% black, or 5% others. So use this example, I show you how you can do the goodness of the fit test by using our chi-square test. Thank you so much.